guys, and thanks for joining me for another taste test video. So today I have the pleasure of sampling a Plasencia cigar. This is the Reserva Original Toro. It's a very interesting cigar indeed. As far as I'm aware, it is the only 100% organic cigar using Nicaraguan tobacco. So it uses tobacco from Esteli and Jalapa, and that creates a nice sort of spicy flavour to it, which a lot of you fans of the Nic Kick will be used to. This one weighs in at 6 inches by 50. So it's a really good size. It opens up a lot more of those flavours. You get a lot more development of it as well. Plasencia, the brand, are the largest producer of tobacco in the whole world. But don't be embarrassed if you've not heard of them, because they do supply 30 brands of their cigars. I think it's actually more than that now. They produce over 40 million cigars a year, so they are huge in the cigar world. In 2015, this range actually won number 7 in the best cigars in the world. But more of the flavours. It's a sort of light to medium strength, so in this hot weather, it's a really good one to go for, because it's not going to clam you up too much, or it's not going to be too heavy. But as I said, that length is going to do you really well. Its mainly flavours are sort of spicy Nicaraguan notes. You've got a lot of roasted nut over a nice little body of cedar as well. Now, I thought these were amazing cigars. Construction-wise, flavour-wise, everything about them was great. And then I saw the price, and I just could not believe it. They are possibly the best value cigar on the market. I couldn't believe it. This one's actually under £10. Now that may change, so if you're watching this today, head to the website now to buy one, because I'm sure that must be wrong. But yeah, I think they're incredible cigars. And like I said, Nicaraguan, spicy, light to medium, fantastic construction. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the cigars as much as I do. You'll find them at cigars.com, that's cgars.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video as well, and comment in the comments section if you've got a cigar that you'd like to see me sample as well. Thank you very much. Cheers.